Understanding dilations, worksheet 20, question number 3. Choose the scale factor or coordinates that make each statement true. There are two different problems here. That's why I put the gray line down the middle. You could do the same if you would like. And it's going to be worth 1 point for each problem. So this question number 3 is worth 2 points. Notice how I put P times SF equals I above each problem. That means pre-image times the scale factor equals the image. So the first column is your pre-image, the second column is your scale factor, and the third column is your image. So if you notice, there are 3 options under scale factor, so that means we're going to be solving for the scale factor in the first problem, and that is why I used that equation. For the second one, notice how there are 3 options under the pre-image, so that means we're going to be finding the pre-image, and that is why I used this equation. So let's start with this first one here. Okay, so the pre-image has an ordered pair at -3, 7, and the image has an ordered pair at -21/8 and 49/8. And we need to find the scale factor. So scale factor is image over pre-image, image over pre-image. So we're going to take a coordinate from the image and divide it by a coordinate from the pre-image. Now it has to be the same. So if this is x, this is y, this is x, this is y. We either have to pick both the x coordinates or both the y coordinates. And if we were in class, I would take a vote to see which one we wanted to do. Since we're not in class, we're going to use the x coordinates. So underline there and underline there. Okay, so we're going to take the x coordinate from the image and divide it by the x coordinate from the pre-image. So our scale factor is going to equal the x coordinate from the image. Well, the x coordinate from the image is -21/8. So write down -21/8. Now we're going to divide that. So put a nice long division bar. We're going to divide that by -3. Now, you have a calculator on your iPad that will do this division for you. This one right here. Remember, it has the calculator hashtag, I think is the, or calculator number sign, pound sign, whatever you want to call it. So if I want to put in this, I would press the fraction button, which is, see the blue arrows in the very middle? There's an E underneath and then the fraction bar. So I press that. Now you actually want to press it again. That will give you a fraction in the numerator. So I'm going to put in -21. Go to tap on the box below that. Put in 8. Tap the bottom box. Put in -3. And remember, the negative sign is the same as the minus sign. And hit enter. Now, unfortunately, it gives you a decimal. Well, if you look down at the bottom, look at your equal sign in the bottom right corner. Beside it, there is the number sign, then the double arrow, and then the fraction button. If you press that button at the bottom, it gives you the fraction. So -21/8 divided by -3 gives you 7/8. So our answer to the first question would be scale factor equals 7/8. So they'll go up here and box your 7/8. So the first question I answered with you. The second one, I'm going to help get you started, but you're going to be on your own. For this one, we're trying to find the pre-image, and we know the image and the scale factor. Now, in this case, you could choose either the x or the y. It doesn't matter. I'm going to go ahead again and choose the x. I'm going to use the 10. So my pre-image is going to equal 10 divided by the scale factor, and the scale factor is 0.8. So go ahead, use your calculator. Put that in and find what 10 divided by 0.8 is. Write your number down, and then when you go to find your ordered pair, you're looking at your x coordinates. So you're looking at that column. So whatever number here matches the number in the left column for your ordered pairs, that will be your correct answer. Go ahead and find your correct answer to this question. If you have any questions, let me know.